customs! Woo! Today we start bringing back a 1980s BMW R65 back to life. Kettle is on! This silver dream machine hasn't been on the road since 1994. That's before I was born. After I washed all the mouse poo off it, I dragged it into the workshop to assess what needed doing. Any other bike that arrives at Mint Customs normally gets modified, customised, tuned, handmade, cut up. But this is just a small restoration, bring back to life, make it roadworthy kind of job. And as it has sat doing nothing in a shed for over 25 years, there may be some hidden issues. It's time to get to work. That's fucked. Turn up the music! I ordered some of the obvious bits and pieces that I needed, like tyres, engine oil, fork seals. But there was one thing really bothering me. The fact that the fuel cap was seized shut. This is a telltale sign the tank is completely rotten. I really hope we can save this tank. Because I really don't think tanks are that cheap for this motorcycle. That's gonna cost ya. There is no way anything else is gonna get done until we make a cup of tea. Well done, Tomus. Good job, mate. Damn, it's cold today. Getting it done. I'm feeling lucky in every round. The forces struck me. I'm chewing gum. The Royal Empire is sleeping now. I'm soon be walking in the new world. I'm getting close to being done. There's still a lot of bits and pieces to get on with, but it's all going pretty well. Here she is. I guess the biggest question at this point is what condition is the tank in, and can it be saved? The fuel has turned into a sticky, thick caramel, and it's glued itself to everything on the inside of the tank, cap, taps, fuel lines, carburetors. Okay then. None of us have ever seen a tank this rotten on the inside. The walls of the tank had fallen in on itself. There was literally lacquer and paint holding this tank together. The hunt begins for a new tank and a matching paint job. It's kind of hard not to just get the angle grinder out and cut this thing up and make something awesome out of it. But on the other hand, she's ugly, but I really like her. She was born in 1987. She has 4,000 miles on the clock and hasn't been running for 25 years. I've spent around 45 hours going over this whole motorcycle, replacing all the parts that have perished, old, rotten away, cleaned her up, serviced, new tyres, the full works. It's been very time consuming, but very enjoyable and worth every minute of time. Really looking forward to getting out on this bike and riding her for the first time in 25 years. But we have two problems. One, we don't have a fuel tank, and two, the exhausts don't fit. Oh man. Today I've been working on the exhaust system. The original end cans were completely rotted through. So these are new end cans. Here there used to be like some sort of collection box or like a really early catalytic converter. So we're removing that. That's going to be junked and we're making up some link pipes. The front down pipes were had a lot of surface rust. So I've sat and cleaned all the downpipes. Once the exhaust system's done, all we're waiting on is for the fuel tank to arrive. It's being painted as we speak, so I'm looking forward to getting that. And then taking it out for a road test, seeing what this thing's capable of. And also comparing it to the BM CAF Racer I built last year. Should be good fun. Please help us fix cold, rusty, neglected motorcycles that have no fresh fuel, oil, or tyres. Just 3 hours a month will help us save motorcycles across the country from miserable, useless lives. We have a free helpline to help inspire you save your motorcycles today. Thank you. So I measured up some link pipe, cut it, tacked it in place and welded it. Link pipes fitted and sorted. The next day some deliveries started showing up. Alright Henry. Oh, hello. We love bike parts in boxes and crash helmets. Woohoo!
Well, it didn't fit, so we had to modify the wiring loom for it to fit. It fits now. Well, kind of fits now. We had to put the petrol cap in.
Don't fit.
Doesn't fit. So we'll have to modify that as well, so this fucking fits.
Well, I'm desperately trying to get this BMW finished, so I've got to go away to Spain for 3 weeks.
Which you're dreading.
Yeah, I'm panicking a little bit.
Early morning, bike building. Early morning, bike building. So what are you doing now? Taking the sump off?
Yeah, so the gasket's weeping on the sump.
What's up? Nothing, mate.
And I just thought the best thing to do is, as I've got one, take the sump off and replace the gasket. We are so close to a road test and this whole bike being done. And then I jump on a ferry off to Spain. As soon as I got on this thing, I knew it was a solid bike you could easily ride around the world on. I was testing the brakes and going through the gears. Also, I brought Tom along for the journey to do some filming.
Filming beams and shit.
Have you seen how high up we are? Yeah, bro.